Hi guys, in this video, I'll be addressing a common concern many TikTok users face, which is shadow bans. So if you notice a drop in your TikTok engagement or suspect your content isn't reaching as many viewers, a shadow ban might be the culprit. So stick around as I guide you to the steps to identify and fix a shadow ban on TikTok. Now let's get started. Alright, so first things first, start by observing changes in your TikTok engagement. If you notice a significant drop in views, likes, and comments, it might indicate a shadow ban. And then next, take a moment to review TikTok's community guidelines to ensure your content aligns with their policies. So modify your content accordingly, avoiding inappropriate language or images. Then consider taking a short break from posting new content to give TikTok's algorithm time to reassess your account. Additionally, check the hashtags you commonly use. If any are associated with spam or inappropriate content, then avoid using them. Now, if after all these steps you're still shadow banned, then contact TikTok support through the app or their website, providing details about your account and the suspected shadow ban. And that's it. This is the guide on fixing a shadow ban on TikTok. Remember to stay informed about TikTok guidelines, adjust your content accordingly, and engage positively within the community. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.